Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy grilled fish recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. This is a quick and easy recipe, so let's get started with the recipe. So I'm starting off with some hake. I'm using petite hake. You can use whichever hake you've got on hand. Even if you want to use hake medallions, this recipe will work just well. And I'm starting off by removing any excess moisture from the hake. Then I'm going to be creating the coating that I'll be using. It's very important for you to be using self-raising flour. Then to that, I'm going to be adding some dried parsley. And then lastly, I'm going to be adding my fish seasoning. We don't need to add any salt to this recipe. And also you need to make your measurements 1:1. So there won't be any measurements in the description box. If you are going to put 1 tablespoon of flour, please match that with 1 tablespoon of fish seasoning, and so on and so forth. So the method that I'm going to be employing is I'm going to be sprinkling the flour mixture on the top first, and then I'll sprinkle it on the skin side. And I'm preferring to scoop out the mixture like I'm doing here, but you're also welcome to be dipping your fish. I just didn't want to waste any excess flour and fish spice mixture that I would have remaining behind. So I'm basically going to be coating each side just like this. It's very important for you to also compact your mixture just so that it can stick to your fish. Remember, we did effortlessly try to remove any excess moisture, and the reason why we want to remove the moisture is so that it doesn't become sticky and gooey. And as you can see, this is the remaining fish mixture that I had left. So now we're going to move over to our pan. I am using a non-stick pan which I greased lightly with a little bit of oil, and then we're going to start face down. I'm only going to be able to fit 3 pieces of fish in here. You're also welcome to see how many you can fit in your skillet, but I would advise that you don't over cramp them inside your pot. Then we're going to allow that to cook for about 3 minutes. You will know that it's done when it's easy for you to lift the piece of fish. If you can't lift it and it's still sticking, let it cook for a little bit longer, just so that it can crisp out the side that you're cooking. Then you're going to turn it over towards the skin side, and you're going to wait for another 2 to 3 minutes just to let it cook through. So this is such a nice recipe, and it's also a healthy alternative to your fried hake, and it's simple and easy. Do let me know in the comment section what you would serve this with. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.